We are Team Elite Green, representing Green Olympic Design 2024. We propose a design to be built on Jalan Bibi and 1/3 Putra Point, Nilai, because the site is close to Kuala Lumpur International Airport and the presence of infrastructure within the radius of 3 kilometers. Our Green Olympic proposal hopes to address and respond to some of the global sustainable development goals, which include good health and well-being, affordable and clean energy, sustainable cities and communities, to promote life on land, to have innovation and infrastructure. The key facilities we are providing are refuse bin, outdoor gym, relaxation area, commercial plot for rent, food court, as well as electric scooter for circulation inside the site.
Our design concept for a Green Olympic Village. Our aim is to design a Green Olympic Village where people can socially interact and get benefited through some communal spaces and participate in their activities surrounding nature. The initial plan for the Olympic Village is started to develop inspired from a tree leaf that represent reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry design will benefit the user easy understanding of the site and will shorten the travel distance. Based on our initial idea in the conceptual development of the master plan, we divided space for circulation, parking, landscape, activity space, and living space. Afterward, we start developing a sustainable accommodation concept based on dedicated area for living space. In this stage, we came up with an internal open courtyard idea, open staircase idea, wide between two units, and green balcony idea to approach more natural ventilation and natural light penetration as a part of passive design solution to promote sustainability. Finally, we designed slope pitch roof in loop manner to respond to the tropical climate of Malaysia and accommodate solar panels and gutter. We are screening the ground floor plan of building block. It's one lobby linked to the drop-off area and another one linked to the activity area. The user can access to the courtyard through the gate on both sides of elevator. The additional staircase in the middle is provided to reduce the travel distance to go one side to an opposite side of the building. And also, they can use it in case of emergency. We are using concrete as a main building material. Besides, we are using prefab metal screen wall as an external wall of staircase compartment, glass wall panels at the shoplots, and glass windows. Now we are screening the first floor to sixth floor plan. We have 10 units for each floor. Each unit ends up with a shared green balcony where they can interact with one another, have a chit chat, can do exercise and meditation. Basically, it's open for any type of activity. The middle units are able to get sufficient amount of reflected sunlight during daytime, since there is a certain gap between two units. Here we can see the furniture layout of the typical unit. Porcelain tiles designed for the toilet, and rest of the unit floor is designed to have engineering wood floor finish. The illustration shows the long side section, which represents the integration of living space and open structure with landscape. The sectional perspective image is picturizing the life activities of people inside the building around the nature. The illustration is showing the biggest central open structure design from different angles. The central structure will function for multi-purpose use. With reference to Amber Construction Steel Manufacture Company standards, we keep 6 meters as clearance height. The fragmented roof with different height is designed to allow natural light in the center of the core. As a result, the structure looks simple but elegant. The green feature of master plan includes: we plan and position the open structure very close to each other and close to accommodation so that we can avoid to use any kind of vehicle for user to travel one point to another. By doing this, we are saving energy. We design a breathable pitch roof for a smooth run of rainwater in a response to tropical climate of the site, and it will allow ample amounts of natural light, which reduce the need for artificial lighting. The perimeter planting, large vegetation, and eco-pool provide the site cool and calm environment. The eco-pool is designed to collect rainwater. The activity area gets maximum shading throughout the day since the massive building blocks are surrounding it. The green feature of accommodation includes The interconnected communal green balcony will purify the air and pass fresh air deeper into the building. The space between two units will allow natural ventilation and natural light in the middle units. The large scale of trees and vegetation at the internal courtyard will perform as air filter. We designed solar panel to generate electrical energy for elevator and communal space artificial lighting. It will benefit us by cutting off electricity bill and less dependent on typical electricity, which produce a good amount of carbon dioxide during production. To increase indoor air quality, low VOC paint is suggested since they are environmental friendly, less harmful, produce less odor. We decided to have low-flow pumping fixtures to save water and money. As a sustainable choice of lighting, we recommended having sufficient CFLs or LED light for indoor and outdoor lighting. Energy-efficient light can save up to 80% of electricity, save money, and reduce 20% of global electricity production. This is one of our key features for this project. To reduce the use of concrete and on-site waste, we choose some alternative material for several parts and components of the building. In this regard, we designed a metal screen wall in the staircase compartment. Also, we decided to have precast concrete cylinder column that support the expanded balcony. Moreover, we designed glazed glass wall panel instead of having solid walls. Furthermore, the roof will be built from prefab roof components. One of our key sustainable features of this project is rainwater harvesting idea. We have a small underground compartment to accommodate the rainwater treatment plant. The stored rainwater will use for watering the plants.
We must have proper structural drawings to convey structural analysis and constructions of any project. For the structural drawings of accommodation, the slab size selected for cantilever balconies is 250 mm and 200 mm. Draw slabs supported by beams inside the buildings with concrete covers of 35 km per meter square. The size of concrete beams of accommodations buildings is selected 250 times 500. There are different sizes of columns. Mostly the size used for accommodation block is 600 times 400. For the structural drawings of open structure, the span length is 10 meters with steel grades of S275 and the overall span is 40 meters. The top curve of the truss is extended 1,875 millimeters for both sides. The total coverage areas of roof truss is 2,100 millimeters square.
We are approaching sustainability not only design but also on the construction stage of green Olympic design. We choose bamboo as a scaffolding material since it is a renewable natural resource, though some may go against our choice since it is directly linked to deforestation. We choose bamboo because it can be half a short span of time. However, when bamboo are tied up, strategically bamboo structure become strong load-bearing capacity. Prefabrication is another sustainable approach to convey project to product. Having prefabricated components benefit us by saving construction time, reducing on-site manpower requirements, reducing on-site waste, reducing noise and destruction to the neighborhood. We decide to have precast concrete floor slab for open structure, prefab steel structure for open structure and roof truss, engineering time, floor finish, and some more prefab components in our project. Finally, sustainable construction waste management, which can save up to 95% of construction waste. In this regard, certain materials we can recycle on site, most notable concrete, which can be crushed and repurposed as aggregate beneath parking lots.
Would you like to see some marvelous perspective of Green Olympic design? Well, bird's eye view of the Green Olympic design illustration a balance and harmony. The illustration showing the connected green balcony within the apartment block. Isn't it great to get view connected from green balcony with the central sport arena? The image showing the excitement and the activities of the central sports arena. And finally, we can see the integration of the central sports arena with the surrounding and landscape, and that provides a cool and calm environment to user. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. the health of Team Elite Green.